Colin, it's good to see you. Boeing shares have been on the rebound over the past month or so. How big a deal is the latest news for them?
Well, I think it's always good to have a premier airline like Delta give you a good vote of confidence for your top product. So that's obviously a big win. I think it speaks a little bit to an advantage that Boeing might start to be getting back in terms of Airbus having very long lead times and probably expecting a little higher pricing and Boeing being willing to take a little lower pricing. So certainly Airbus has taken a huge lead in the global aircraft market over the last few years, but this is a good signal that Boeing might be chipping back a little way at that lead.
Well, when you put it that way, I don't feel quite as excited. You're basically saying Airbus planes are going to take too long, so people have to kind of turn to Boeing, and the Boeing planes are going to be a little cheaper. I mean, if that's the case, how long is this road back that you're describing?
Well, I think that's an interesting question, and that's sometimes when you're trying to make an investment case for Boeing, there becomes some confusion that sometimes people think you're saying this stock should be back in the $450 range where it was pre-pandemic. That's not true. You could make probably 60% on your money from today if it just gets back to 40% below its peak. So we're probably talking about 3+ years to get all the way back. But just in the next year, you could have I think Boeing's already breaking even on free cash flow now. And so we'll have a nice ramp in free cash flow over the next year as these MAXs get delivered out of inventory. We're very optimistic that 787 will get recertified for deliveries by the end of this year. We don't want to just like the CEO, so we can't predict that timing, but I think probably it's sometime this year. And within a year, you won't have Boeing at anywhere near pre-pandemic earnings levels or pre-MAX earnings levels. But even at just 50% of what they were making before there, it could be a very attractive investment over the next year.
Make the case for us, Colin, that buyers will look past the reputational troubles that Boeing has suffered over the past years with the 787 Dreamliner, with the 737 MAX 8 or whatever, 800 MAX.
We no longer have to try to make that case. Delta's orders today, the huge backlog of orders with companies like Southwest, United, there's huge confidence in that plane. People want it for its high performance and probably a better price point. So I think that case is kind of making itself. There's a healthy backlog for MAXs. If they could be delivering more, they would. The market is certainly there.
Interesting.
When you're a business, it's better to have short-term problems with a great market, and I think the market will help them kind of heal that.
I don't mean to draw too close a comparison, but some years ago, as you will recall, Audi had a premium product in the market, and some safety issues arose with it. And at that time, people were very quick to write the obituary for Audi, and that company has come back in the marketplace very, very strongly. I'm not saying this is directly comparable. I don't mean to compare the one to the other excessively, but it's always wise to take a long view, I guess.
Yeah, I think that's an excellent point. Financial history is replete with examples of a very short-term oriented investment marketplace dumping companies that were going through challenges, but over the long term, they still had very good fundamentals for their business.
Right.
So those are the two things to keep in mind with Boeing. Okay. They've got major operational problems, but this is still a very valuable duopoly type business in a long-term growth market. So that's a great place to be invested over the long term. And I think month by month, they are starting to show us that they're overcoming these operational problems. So you got to be patient. There's certainly a lot of hair on this stock with their operational problems plus the debt. But again, you just got to keep in mind, just getting back to something like 50% of their peak stock price would be a great return on investment from here.